Imagine combining the freedom of camping with the simplicity of a bicycle. That's exactly what the Tricycle Camper offers. A unique innovation for travel lovers and minimalists, the Tricycle Camper blends mobility, eco-friendliness, and adventure into one compact package. It's essentially a three-wheeled bike with a mini camper built right onto it, allowing people to explore the world without the need for fuel, bulky gear, or expensive vehicles. These trike campers are gaining popularity among solo travelers, urban explorers, and digital nomads who want to live on the move while minimizing their carbon footprint. A tricycle camper typically consists of a cargo tricycle as its base, with a lightweight and foldable camper structure attached at the rear. The camper is usually made of durable materials like aluminum, fiberglass, or high-strength plastics to keep it light but weather-resistant. Some versions even come with solar panels on the roof, powering lights, USB ports, fans, or even small cooking equipment. Inside, there's usually enough space for a single bed, storage compartments, and occasionally a folding table or mini desk. For those who want to stay connected or work remotely, it's a surprisingly efficient mobile home. What makes the Tricycle Camper even more fascinating is its accessibility. Unlike traditional RVs or camper vans, tricycle campers don't require a driver's license, insurance, or large parking spaces. They're often permitted on bike lanes and smaller roads, allowing users to travel through cities, towns, parks, and off-the-grid locations with ease. In many parts of Europe and Asia, people are adopting them as alternatives to cars for short camping trips or even long-term nomadic living. With the rise of bike-friendly cities and sustainable living trends, this invention fits perfectly into the future of personal transport. The camper's low environmental impact is another major advantage. Powered entirely by human effort or optional electric assist motors, tricycle campers produce no emissions. They encourage a healthier lifestyle and slower travel, ideal for those who prefer to savor the journey rather than rush to the destination. Many travelers have shared stories of how the trike camper helped them explore hidden villages, scenic trails, and peaceful lakesides that cars and RVs simply can't reach. Customization is another exciting aspect. Creators and DIY enthusiasts have designed their own trike campers with personal touches. Some include mini kitchens, solar-charged battery banks, collapsible awnings, or even tiny rooftop gardens. The design flexibility lets users tailor their camper to fit their lifestyle, whether they're into photography, writing, cycling, or outdoor cooking. Some models are entirely self-built, costing a fraction of a traditional camper van, making the lifestyle even more accessible. Of course, there are limitations. The tricycle camper is slower than a motor vehicle and less suited for rugged terrain or extreme weather. Uphill travel can be challenging without electric assistance and storage. Space is limited. But for those willing to embrace minimalism and slow living, these downsides are often seen as part of the charm. They encourage resource